2.
Oh.
3. 4 down. 5 on top here.
Oh, six. Whoa, ऊपर.
7 there.
Where's the seventh one, Sumesh?
Get. Okay, this is right thing here.
Yes.
This fellow. Cannot see this? If anybody want to click, no, you can click that fellow there. Spread this thing and go like that and land somewhere like this and then start calling.
Sort of like Batman.
Yeah, it is. And then started calling. Only one purpose, to get a mate. And the louder you are, you get the best mate. I mean, females apparently. And then they come here, lay eggs on these leaves. Then, they drop in this water at the top of the tree.
And the phone is
Bora.
I'm missing it. Yeah, right here. Talk about snakes, no? All things come to your mind is cobra, right? Yeah. That's just a show off guy. I mean, cobras misses a lot of fights because it's like they're showing off. Yeah. But these fellows are not like that. They don't show off. They are very seldom, like, they're very silent like that. But suddenly, if you go closer that it can reach, definitely give a bite. And if it not just a bite, due to that, they do change color. Like chameleons can change like some 6-7 different colors.
7 different colors.
These guys can change to green to some darker coloration and slightly red when it's breeding season. In the breeding season, all the male, the head become red in color. That is just, again, as I said in terms of that, that is male's duty to impress the female. It's not, and then he goes with the colorful males in that area. How the birds are sleeping. I don't much of light because birds can disturb very easily. I just quickly show you. Bird is right here. So they give birth to a lot of babies. This fellow is on the road, I think. It's tough. Because you see, it's unlike other snails, no, the shell is so soft. So I can't remove it, I might break it. So please be careful. It's a millipede. So, millipede means what? 1,000 legs, right? Are you? Did you see it? Yeah, so these are the very common millipede what you find in forest catches like this. What makes it scary, right? If you touch it, it immediately emits a chemical which can burn people, like which can have, people can have blisters. I have a friend, she is like 24 now. She got when she was a kid, like 6 years or 7 years of kid, she accidentally slept on one of these, not this species but a smaller one. She has a tattoo here now of this because that place is burned and become darker in color. And there are some squirrels do an amazing trick, not here in this part of the Western Ghats but some other part. They catches these, okay. They catches this thing, then they get the chemical on the body, on the hand. Hand is fur, so they will not get affected. They, put it all over the body. Two purpose. One is to insect repellent, like some ticks, fleas, and all will go. Second being anything attacks, like snakes or something. They'll get that very bad sense of smell, like very bad irritating smell, and they let it go. And this is the tool. And imagine squirrel learn it like that way, and they use it. Male, this is male, no? You go with that? Here. You see this brown thing here? Okay, see the brown thing here. Do you see now? Okay. Wait, I'll check.
Oh, small, yeah.
Now you see this?
Huh?
Got it?
Yeah, so that, yeah.
So, this is another same Malabar pit viper, right here. See here?
Yes. The snake.
So this is same Malabar pit viper, venomous. Don't underestimate babies. They can still give you very bad bite because they are already equipped with venom. They already got the venom. And this is the ambush position he has. Like you can see it sitting like that. And they don't move and run around catch prey. They sit one place. Did you? Yeah.
Have you?
So right after the eyes, no, eyes are very like, darker in shade. But yet you can actually see it's got eyes and a pit. So that's a small opening, like our ear.
Wide view.
So this is a green wine snake actually. This is the belly side of the belly part of this wine. Belly is like whitish green. But the top is really green and they got a very long face now. They look like a vine. Like on the tree they dangle like that. And judging from the size, you might think that they eat small predators, right? Because they're so thin. They even eat birds.
Oh my god.
They okay, so this snake is venomous, but something called a mildly venomous. They do have venom, but it's not capable to cause any problem to human. No problems at all. Even if people get bitten, nothing happens. Some people get some symptoms if they're allergic, otherwise not at all. Plus, the venom delivering fangs, other snakes sits in front, right? This fellow got somewhere here, and it's small fangs. They have to keep on bite and inject. One bite and all, they cannot inject much venom. And so yeah, they active at daytime, unlike other snakes. They, go very fast around the shrubs. Finding them in the daytime is very, very difficult. Night, they rest like this. And this fellow is supposed to move, but 3 days it's sitting on the same place. Because they don't do that unlike the vipers. Vipers does, but these fellows will not.
Are you sure it's alive?
Sorry? Now I've started thinking, because yesterday somebody told me that you kept a rubber snake stake. No way. If I wanted to take a rubber snake, I would have taken somewhere here. And as you said,
Possible to put the rubber snake over there.
yeah, it's possible. I can throw it like that. Yeah.
There's no movement.
So,